This is a video of a Juki DDL-5550n-7 fully automatic single needle machine. This machine comes with a CP130 control panel and a SC-1 motor, computerized motor. And here we go. And now we're going to demonstrate the machine for you. Just a very smooth machine. It also has variable speed, so you can go either slow or fast depending on your sewing style. And let's see that beautiful stitching. Look at that. Very, very nice. Thank you and have a nice day from Atlas Levy Sewing Machines. atlaslevy.com